Hi guys and welcome along to the video. This is a Mini 1 in for rear quarter on a door. We've stripped all the plastics off. Door handles are out. Door handles are out, and we had to use 3 coats of colour on this to get this to colour up. So through this video you're going to see 3 coats of colour go on. We had to use 3 coats because the first 2 coats just didn't cover. Some colours in water are quite bad at covering. And to be honest with you, the Bliss Blue is probably one of the worst ones. We've been using the AkzoNobel paint system that we've been using now for about 4 or 5 months, and this is by far the worst one that we've had to colour up. We had to use, like I said, 3 coats, about 250 to 300 ml of paint on this one, which is a lot of paint for the repair that we've done. So sit back, guys, watch this video. 3 coats of colour. 2 coats of clear. The car was flatted, polished, all in one day, rebuilt up, and the customers got it back. They're happy with the job, we're happy with the job, come out really, really clean, 4 bits of dust, so a quick teeny bit of polish and we were done. So guys, keep liking, subscribing. We've got lots more coming through the YouTube channel, so we've still got to finish off the Audi TT RS. We've come into some problems with that, but I'll update you in that RS video. And then we've also got the Escort RS Turbo coming in this week. So in the next few days that one will be in, and we'll start the video for that. So quite a lot coming on, so please, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, keep interacting with the channel, and it will just keep growing, so thank you very much. Spray goods we're using, DeVilbiss GTI Pro lights. This one for the base is a Vigilante. Again, DeVilbiss GTI Pro light for the base coat. The only difference is one's black and one's the Vigilante edition. Same air caps, same setup. The TE20 air cap's absolutely brilliant, and that's what we use for pretty much every job. Smart repair gun is a Sartor 4000. You don't see that in this video, but that's the smart repair gun that we've got. So like I said, guys, sit back, enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching, and like I said, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So these are the problems you get with paint guns. The gun's spitting, dribbling, wobbling. It was terrible. So we did get that first coat of clear on, but unfortunately we didn't press record when we come back into the spray booth. So this is the start of the second coat. As you can already see, it's looking really glassy. Looks really, really good. You'll see it at the end of this one. It looks absolutely beautiful. So like I said, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please watch it all the way to the end. New channel, we need to get the views up. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. This is the last coat. Cheers guys, thanks.